Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to add your own music in Microsoft Clipchamp, so you can personalize your videos with the sound you love. Step 1. Open Microsoft Clipchamp and start a new project by importing your video. Once it's in your media library, click the plus icon on the video to add it to the timeline. Step 2. Now it's time to add your music. There are two ways to do this, but we're focusing on how to use your own audio file. Just click on the Your Media tab on the left side of the screen. Step 3. In the Your Media section, click on the Import button. Then, browse your computer and select the music file you want to use. After selecting it, the music will appear in your media library, ready to be added. Step 4. Click and drag your music file onto the timeline just below your video track. You'll see a label that says Drop Here. Simply release the mouse, and it's added. Now your music is synced with the video and ready to play. Step 5. To adjust the volume of your music, click on the audio track in the timeline. Then click the little speaker icon above to control the sound level. You can make it louder, quieter, or fade it to match your video perfectly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more easy tutorials.